What's up, guys? Hope everybody out there is having an awesome day. So I'm going to be coming at you guys with a couple of key bodybuilding meal examples, actually, because I know it's hard for a lot of you guys to pack on size. I used to be a little guy, and it took a lot of food and a lot of consistency to be able to get where I am today. But I'm going to show you two post-workout meals, one for today, and then I'll do one again tomorrow after my workout. So hope you guys enjoy, hope you guys learn something, and if you have any questions or whatever, comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe. I got a lot more content coming at you guys. Check it out. Alright, let's check it out. We got, let's see if I can get this to focus here. There we go. Salisbury steak, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, and some vegetable mix, protein shake, and of course I got my water. So this meal in whole is 660 some odd calories. I'm in bulking phase right now, so it's not that big of a deal to be counting my macros. As long as I'm getting my protein and enough calories to grow and get the results, then that's pretty much all I track. This thing has, in all, it has 6 carbs, so it's really low in carbs. Relatively low on calories as well, but that's not including the protein shake there. And then just having a water. Try to drink at least a gallon of water a day. But just thought I'll bring you guys a meal example of something that, you know, some people might look at this and say, God, that's way too much, but you know, you got to, this is what my body needs to grow. For me to actually be able to pack on size in my current conditioning, then I have to eat like this, and it's pretty crazy, but you got to do what you got to do. Until next time, guys, later. Alright, guys, bodybuilding meal example number 2. Got 3 chicken breasts, 0 fat Alfredo sauce with some pasta and broccoli. And we got my multivitamin. It recommends to take 2. I normally take more than that. I tend to overdo everything, and pretty much I do. And then I just had my protein shake. I recommend that you have your protein shake with food, just because in my experience, whenever I just have a protein shake, it doesn't feel like my body is actually absorbing all of that protein properly, even though it is an isolate. So I eat it with, or drink it with food, and I get a lot better results. At the end of the day, you want to stick to food anyway. And I got my water. Alright, guys, this bodybuilding meal example number 2. I hope this helped you guys out. If you have any questions, then comment below. Like, subscribe. See you guys later.